Since there's a break in the rain, I thought I'd take a short walk in the campground area and take some pictures of the lake. Just found the end of the camping area and mission accomplished. Hold on just a second. It's a closed area. I am not actually in the closed area. I am just outside it. This is as close as I can get. I wanted a picture of these bad boys. I'm zoomed in 20, so it's not very clear. But we have the white pelicans and what I think are probably cormorants on that little floating buoy. A different view of my campsite. Thanks for watching this video about Dixon Lake in Escondido, California. If you liked it, please like, subscribe, and share, and I will see you in my next video.